7. I have to run!
Hold.
Why?
You robbed a bank.
Do I have to go to jail for that?
No, wait, yes,
Why?
because you robbed a bank.
Can I go to jail tomorrow? My mom's birthday is here.
Let me think about it. No.
Dude, help me find a hiding spot. Why? Just do it. Okay. Here. He's coming. Okay. You got this. Okay. I have to itch my knee. You'll never find us here. Go. Freeze. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Behind you. Freeze. Freeze. No. Really? Okay, we have to do something else then. He's coming! We have to get him now! We meet again. Caden, the gun! I think we just murdered the wrong guy. Wait for a part 2! Yeah! Guys, we made a really awesome movie. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, blah, blah, blah. Comment, whatever. Connor, be quiet! And yeah, stuff like that. Bye.
Well, we lost our car again.
Well, never mind the car. Where's the road? Oh.